My name is Devin and my title is Project Engineer.
My name is Corey Retke and I'm a staff engineer.
My name is Kyle Poisson. I am a staff geologist with CTL Thompson.
My name is Sydney Bernhardt and I'm a staff engineer here with CTL Thompson.
In the nutshell, what I do is I'll get plans from an architect or a contractor and I figure out which beams and columns and just type of walls and all the framing required.
We'll usually be some of the first people on site, and what we're doing is assessing the soil conditions for foundations.
I do structural design for large custom homes. So that involves designing the roof framing, floor framing, wall framing.
My favorite thing about what I do is getting to take an idea and figure out the problems to make it real and make it happen. And it's really great to go out and see something I've worked on and actually see it out in the real world.
Getting out in the field working with soil is really nice, kind of brings you back to when you were a kid playing in a sandbox.
I like working with numbers, I like doing math, so that's really appealing, but also going back to having a finished product and something you can go out and see.
The team here at CTL is kind of like one big, extended family.
People here at CTL are relatable, great at communication, just down-to-earth people.
There's other engineering firms that can lag behind or not meet their clients' needs, and I think that's something that we pride ourselves on and handle really well.
Working with people here is easily done and I enjoy it.